Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S23 Ultra. This time it's the silicone grip case, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have the official Samsung silicone grip case for the Galaxy S23 Ultra to review. I decided to use my pre-order credits to pick up a couple cases, and this is one of the cases that I decided to get. I had this case for the Galaxy Z Fold 4, and I really enjoyed the little strap that it has to hold the phone. It actually comes in quite convenient, and it's just a nice case, so I decided to pick it up for my Galaxy S23 Ultra. Like we normally do in my videos, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does it fit? Can you wireless charge with it? We also make sure that it doesn't add bulk to your phone, and is the case slippery or not? Just stuff like you normally look for in a case video. But nice presentation from Samsung. I mean, it's plain and simple. If y'all want to pause that, y'all can pause that and read it. Oh, it's a matte finish. I do like the inside of that. It has like this felt or suede type of material on the inside. All right, so I got that off, but it's like the suede material on the inside. Here's the strap. I love the green color on it, so this is how you hold it, and it makes it just a lot easier when you're holding the phone. The material is like a grippy rubber, but it's kind of plastic though. You're not really bending it. You have the volume rockers, and then the power button there. How do you think this case is gonna fit? You would hope it fit pretty well. Do you get lip protection? Yes, you do, from the top and the bottom. No problem there. Let's see how much lip protection you get. You get, I can slide something underneath this so it's not touching my table. You get camera protection also, not much, but you do get some. As you can tell there. Everything lines up at the bottom. Now with this one, you're definitely gonna need some fingernails to get this pen out. But you can get it out. But again, I like it when they cut out the frame, cut it down to the frame there. Now I can get it out, but it takes some work, especially if you don't have fingernails. So you can get it out, you just need to get it in there. There you go. But everything lines up like you're supposed to. The microphone lines up. The buttons are easy to press. Nice and tactile. Overall fit, not this snug like you would hope so. It's nice and yeah. And then trying to take it off too, how does it fit? Yeah, so you have to get into it and really pull it off. So it's not going, when you drop it, if you drop this case, it's just not going to pop off. So that's actually really good too. And then, like I said, it gives you something to hold on to while you're holding your phone. Does it add bulk to your phone? Not really. The strap does a little bit, but the case is not that heavy in the first place. So it does not really add bulk to your phone. But I do like the protection you get from this thing. Little side profile there. You can see this profile there. Now, can you wireless charge? Yes, you can wireless charge. Now, it does get in the way a little bit. See, that way it did not charge, but So it just depends on how you placed it on your charger. You may have to sit there and move it around. But as you can tell there, I can wireless charge without any issues. Now, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can definitely pick it up. I might rock with this one for a while too. I just like the grip and just the overall feel of it. Plus this little strap thing works out great. But like I said, if you want to pick it up, the links will be in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForZReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.